It's been a long time since I did any content on my bug out moto camper van. For those of you guys that don't know, this is a 2004 Chevy Express 3500 that I converted into a camper van that accommodates a motorcycle inside and allows me to travel the country with my motorcycle comfortably inside the van. I did this back in 2015. I've taken multiple trips across the country with my motorcycle, and it's been really awesome. So now I'm fixing my bug out moto camper van up here because I want to take another trip. That's where I got these new awesome TEMGOT 12.8 volt 100 amp hour lithium phosphate batteries that are self-heating. Okay, I've never had self-heating lithium batteries, and that's the problem I've had with lithium batteries in my van, is that when it hits below 32 degrees freezing, that they stop accepting the charge, and next thing you know, I end up with dead batteries. And I tell you, I spent over $800 for Battleborne batteries, for each Battleborne battery, $800. And they failed after like 3 years. And I tried, and the reason I spent that much money on those batteries because it came with a 10-year warranty, supposedly. I contacted them, tried to get those batteries replaced with that 10-year warranty, which I was well within, and they would not replace those defective batteries. I was highly upset with that. Fast forward to now with these new TEMGOT batteries. These are actually way cheaper than the Battleborne batteries. Less than $300, guys, like $280 right now, which, by the way, if you want to get a discount and a link to get these, I have a discount code and a link to get these batteries in the description and comment section of this video if you want to get them. First off, I want to tell you the overview of my solar system here. Is I have two separate solar systems in this van. By the way, I did a full build series on this van. If you want to see the full build series, I have a link in the description and comment section of this video, or I'll have a link in the top right corner of this video. But before I tell you about these new awesome TEMGOT batteries here, I want to show you my solar system. I have two 250 watt monocrystalline solar panels there, each one on its own solar system. The one solar system I have here with the two 100 amp hour lithium batteries is being controlled by a 40 amp MPPT solar controller. And then this solar system here is just a 100 amp hour lithium battery being controlled by a 20 amp MPPT solar controller. I have two fuse boxes in the cabinet, each one for each solar system. So should one system fail, I can switch appliances over from one system to the other as backup. And it came in very handy when I went out to Wyoming and it hit below 32 degrees and the lithium batteries failed. And back then I had a lead acid battery as the backup battery. So I was able to switch everything over to the lead acid battery and run things until things warmed up. But if I had these TEMGOT lithium self-heating batteries, I never would have had that problem. What's awesome with TEMGOT is they actually have 24/7 customer service, unlike Battleborne. And also, you get a 5-year warranty with this. And man, what's really cool about these batteries, like I said, they're self-heating features. So if it hits below 32 degrees, it has a heating function that will heat the battery up to 41 degrees and allow it to accept the charge. So you never have to worry about cold weather affecting the battery again. And for us van dwellers and RVers, or if you're truck camping, car camping, or anything, very important to have this, because you never know. Sometimes you go in the mountains, it can get cold at any time, even in the summer, believe it or not. One time in Cripple Creek, 8,000 above sea level, it actually was snowing in the morning when we got up out there. It was crazy in July. So I think it's awesome to have self-heating batteries. And also, by the way, these batteries are very lightweight, only weighs 23 pounds. I actually put it on my scale and it weighed only 22.3 pounds. So it actually weighed less than their specified weight. The sizing is also very small on here, 10.2 inches in length, 6.6 inches in width, and 8.2 inches in height. Very small, lightweight. I love these handles. Another thing that's awesome is that it has a touch display on the top of the battery. Is that cool or what? Look at that. You can see all the parameters on there. You can actually turn off the charging and discharging, and it gives a status of each cell, which this 100 amp hour battery has 4 cells there. And also you can connect this via Bluetooth app on your phone that has the same features. as the display on here. You can control and turn off the discharging and charging on your phone. By the way, you can run these up to 10 of these batteries, these 100 amp hour batteries. You can run up to 10 of them in parallel, or do up to 4 in a series for 48 volts. And it's IP64 shockproof and waterproof, so it's excellent for vehicle applications for us RVers, van dwellers, car dwellers, any of us. I'm gonna have these batteries running everything in here. I have a refrigerator here in the van. I have a freezer. I have a hot water heater, water pump, the stereo system, the TV, the vent fans, the LED lighting throughout inside the van, power and everything. And like I said, should one system fail, I can switch over to the other, but I doubt I will be dealing with that with these new TEMGOT batteries. These things are really awesome. And I saw many reviews on these batteries before I got these batteries. I'll tell you guys is that I've seen where guys tear these batteries apart and they tested everything, and you get the full 100 amp hour of discharge on these batteries, and it charges fully 100 amps. Now, you don't want to discharge these batteries for the full 100 amp a lot because it'll reduce the lifespan of the battery, which, by the way, these batteries, this has up to a 5,000 cycle lifespan. And also, by the way, it has a 100 amp awesome BMS on here that prevents overcharging, over discharging, and short circuiting. So you're not going to have to worry about these batteries getting damaged because of cold weather. You're going to be able to use these batteries in cold weather with a self-heating function. Oh man, I'm telling you, I'm very excited to get these batteries installed in my bug out moto van. I have a lot of hope for these batteries. We'll see. I want to take a trip to either Maine, Vermont. I want to go up to the Northeast area. I've never been up there. I've always taken trips across the country, out west to Colorado, Wyoming, Idaho, all those places, Montana, which are beautiful out there. But I think I'm going to change it up this time and hit the Northeast coast. And so with my motorcycle, so that's going to be fun to take you guys out on the road and explore some new areas. Maybe so I can find some ghost towns out there. And maybe look at some real estate to buy, another bug out country property or something, maybe out there, a lake home or something, man. I'm gonna have fun with this next bug out moto van trip. So stay tuned with me. I appreciate all you guys. Like I said, if you want to get these TEMGOT LiFePO self-heating batteries, you can get a discount. The discount code and link to get these is in the description and comment section of this video. Living the free life out here on the road, baby. Thumbs up if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell symbol so you get notified when my new videos are released. But I release new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.